Hello. Today we're going to make a refreshing, healthy, and very easy to make drink.
It's oat water. Yes, that's right, you heard me.
All healthy and super tasty. Start by putting a cup of rolled oats in your blender jar, along with another cup of water and a good spoonful of cinnamon, in powder form. We add another cup, in this case, of evaporated milk. This is optional, but I recommend it because it turns out very creamy.
We also add sweetener to taste. You can use sugar or Trident, whatever you prefer. And more water. 1 cup before and 2 now, for a total of 3 cups of water. Cover it and blend.
You're going to blend it for at least 2 or 3 minutes, until everything has a uniform texture. Once that time passes, your mixture is ready. Just open the lid and take it
to a pitcher that you can cover and chill.
Very good, because this cold drink is on another level. So, as I said, I'm going to put it in these jars perfectly. I'm going to cover it and keep it in the fridge, because I'm going to enjoy this.
This afternoon, at least a couple of hours in the fridge will do it wonders. So in it goes.
Also, let me remind you that it's a good idea to have some ice ready at home, because this with ice takes it to the next level. It's amazing, so off I go. Ice cubes in the glasses, almost halfway up, flavored cream on top, and there you have it. A refreshing, nutritious, healthy drink with amazing benefits. And as you saw, no effort at all. Easy, super easy. Look, 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 look. Look at how amazing that looks. Don't tell me you don't feel like grabbing one of these little glasses.
And start enjoying it or read a book. A wonderful, refreshing, easy, and
incredible. Dare to try it, you'll regret every hot day you didn't. A healthy marvel, take note.